Well, hello there. I wanted to invite you to participate in a little game development challenge that we've got going on. Runs from December 20th through to 29th. You can drop in, give us a half hour, give us 10 hours, give us the whole week if you like. It's up to you. Really lightweight. Doesn't matter what your skill is, there'll be something for you to do. Let me tell you a bit more. What we're going to do is we're going to build out this game. There's a game design document here. It's fairly lightweight, but it's a rogue wave shooter. You have nanobots that upgrade the player. Talk about that a little bit later. In fact, I won't go through the design document now. We'll have a look at what the game actually is in a moment. If you come over to my Discord, link in the description, you'll come here and you can show your interest, etc. There's lots of information here about how to get started, but the easiest thing to do, of course, is to simply ask the question. So here we have the game as it stands right now. So this is just the very beginning, something that I've put together as a framework for us to work on. And you can see we're using one paid asset here. This asset is Neo FPS. It's on sale right now, link in the description. It's really fantastic first-person asset. If you don't have it already, you should get it. It is brilliant. Everything else will be open source and Creative Commons licenses. So what we have at the moment is the ability to spawn into the game. We have these big purple things that spawn enemies. There's another one over there. The level is generated randomly, so it's different every time you play it, and it's like a rogue level. Of course, it's really simplistic right now. The enemies can't really get to you. The AI is super stupid. They're overlapping, etc. They are dead easy to kill. But they do drop resources. So if I go over those resources in the top right, you can see them collecting resources. In the bottom right, you can see I just got some extra ammo because my nanobots made me some ammo. That's how the upgrades come. So there's more ammo coming. I can destroy the spawners, which destroys all of the enemies that are attached to them. I can destroy the enemies in between. Do reload. I have different weapons. There's a grenade. Probably, yeah, it's too far. I'm rubbish with grenades. That's what I was trying to say. That one went off the map. So you can see loads of things that we need to fix here. You got melee, you got a pistol, but a lot of variety in here already. Loads of ideas about what we might do to make this a good game. Lots of opportunity for people to come and participate with us. We have all sorts of things to do, and everything from artwork, sound effects, graphics, coding, etc. Here you can see this is where some of the roguelike elements will come in. You'll be able to change your loadout as you earn more equipment and so on. And then when you spawn in, you have a different level. Sorry, I was pressing all the change buttons there. Where's my shotgun? There's my shotgun. And yeah, it's going to be great fun. Very lightweight, no real commitment for people coming in and going. Just drop in, spend a bit of time with us, enjoy it. Everything's done remotely and asynchronously, so you don't need to be online at the rest of the time with us. If you don't know much about game development, don't worry, we'll find easy stuff for you to do, and we'll introduce you to the process. All right, see you over on the Discord. Bye bye.